normal corrugated na we go box corrugated asibe ko babwate dumurang ayuali ayechigech emeronge tato asama bati ali ayechigech emeronge bere na Isano na Isato mbabwate tile provels alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na we go na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago tena roman jinko na we go web design mbabwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray, brick red, tile red, maroon, sky blue, na wigo na green. Obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer. Mbabwate bintu bindi bwigo ebyo ochikunyara kwa gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao. Tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom. Onyare kwa gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya sigika. Ayo uchane warrant na wigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango. Edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo muchuligo busongo iyo erange neduka ya Safaricom. Wigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trasete namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Ine kwabire gukorera
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Gaso weri tukori ya Ibere na gatano na gatato mutenyino yo gatana kabiro mwaka no yubwekiri bubere Ibere ne tano mwanchwa umuregere yo Getembe TV nigo atigaira atatu oka umutenyega ugatana na kabere onyare gwa kanse eyene Getembe TV gose egetaseni wanchite nabo yo kwegena kia Getembe TV kyonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere kupurubo gatagati bo mucho busongo nchengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga veni Nyaboga nero gongonya cross omuno oriwe manyariro nabo igo magaye chikamire tore nere mukate eno kuri studio kabere Kevin Ongeri nero kone kebona chibichechi na Mario Gingo ikirachira senchira ere yo wekarani karanso ike overnight wikomero tunyare ukomanya igati yari agenda to watakaritsko eriga ya kabere ya wiki natoko chaka muwaziri wa bocheno miensi ya Kenya Omoske Adendware nigo agenda tekora egikaro kugukwanira chinsemo aocha kansa gosigo kwanira kansa egikaro kegendrete ensemo ya Sauti omoche o Nairobi negikaro gikirano n'abawaziri babotani aonkorwa sense media yobocheno naboigo abagavana aseboigo akwanire aina gose chinsemo aocha kansa naboigo kokwanira chikansa centers gose chinchera barachie korwaria kansa ekyo omoga osomora ibwensi ya Kenya Dr. William Samuel Ibere kaukwana chingwana cha duare asende.
Fighting voices taking action is a call for urgency and solidarity. Our National Cancer Control Strategy 2023-2027 provides us with a very clear roadmap covering prevention, diagnosis, treatment, palliative care, financing, and research. We are decentralizing cancer care as a country. Our regional cancer centers are now operational in Nairobi, Eldoret, Kiambu, Mombasa, Garissa, Nakuru, which is a major step towards equity in access. Through the National Equipment Service Project, we are strengthening our cancer care by equipping our national and county referral hospitals with essential screening and treatment equipment. Mammograms have already been installed in Kisumu and Kerugoya, while CT scans are operational in 15 county referral hospitals, with installation underway in another 15 additional counties. Data is our compass. Our National Cancer Surveillance Platform is enabling real-time data to drive smarter, targeted decision-making. On prevention, the ministry has successfully integrated the HPV vaccine into our routine immunization schedule, targeting adolescent girls aged between 9 and 14 years. This is a momentum step towards the elimination of cervical cancer. We are expanding our community-based screening for breast, cervical, prostate, among other cancers, through community health promoters and mobile outreach teams. Early detection saves lives. We are also strengthening our referral system to ensure timely follow-up and care. No Kenyan should suffer or die because of delayed treatment.
Gakiechechio duare nigo akwanera umuroberi bwobo mububo bwene oimani kaine buna taifa kya aseboigo akwanera umuroberi osha na kubori abakenya bagendere kwerikia bunenchira yamo yo kyororoberi amagima chinga kitiri bakogenda chinyagitari ko bwena ase aine kya buna kirari tuko inse ya imeyense ya Kenya abakenya wetana chiribu emerongo ene nigo bakwerikia umuroberi oyo aseboigo umuroberi oyo orache gotenenera koruari ya usuko bwenya amaroire a weka okuma.
Prevention and early detection, diagnostics, treatment and palliative care, strategic information and financing. I applaud this strategy. But we must now confront the harder question. Are we implementing this strategy? Are we matching vision with capacity? Ambition and accountability? And is our treasury prepared to finance this strategy to the end? Back home in Kisumu, we have internalized this strategy and contextualized it to
Through the Taifa Care, we are building a health system which is more inclusive, equitable, and responsive. The Social Health Authority is very central to this transformation, with over 24.9 million Kenyans enrolled as of last night. Every day, between 40 to 50,000 Kenyans enroll on our platform. The Social Health Authority provides up to 550,000 per year through the Host Social Health Insurance Fund, an emergency, chronic, and critical illness fund for cancer diagnosis and treatment. Additional services covered include surgical procedures, inpatient care, outpatient care, and palliative care in line with the SHA benefits and tariffs. No Kenyan should be forced to choose between treatment and feeding their family. The government, under the leadership of President William Ruto, has made it very clear that the health of our citizens comes first. To date, SHA has received oncology claims amounting to 5.8 billion in the last 9 months.
Mugavana we kaunti ya Kisumu umuske Professor Peter Anyanginyo oyo ikirana asege ikarekyo oyo boigo ore survivor ya cancer nigo akwanira cancer ao ekyabere kigo chanda abantu anane mono abasubati obabeire bakonyorwa no muchando o cancer yoro iboro asaruro kobolya gocha serikali anane mono kogendera korenga na boigo kwena na echancho gocha saba na basubati abo bare inse ye miaka 15.
Prevention and early detection, diagnostics, treatment and palliative care, strategic information and financing. I applaud this strategy. But we must now confront the harder question. Are we implementing this strategy? Are we matching vision with capacity, ambition and accountability? And is our treasury prepared to finance this strategy to the end? Back home in Kisumu, we have internalized this strategy and contextualized it to fit our local reality. Cancer, particularly cervical and breast cancer, is an urgent public health threat in our region. And my First Lady and other First Ladies in the LREB region have been seized with the responsibility of early detection by examining young women for cervical cancer and breast cancer. Our statistics tell a stark story. Less than 15% of eligible women are screened. Let me repeat that. Less than 15% of eligible women are screened, and many are diagnosed too late. We therefore resolve to act and act boldly. Through partnerships with organizations such as KMET, Cure Cervical Cancer, Africa Cancer Foundation, and PEPFAR, we're implementing a community-based screening program targeting every eligible woman in Kisumu within 3 years. We're also addressing prevention. Under the leadership of our county First Ladies as champions, we have increased HPV vaccination among girls aged 10 to 14 from 12% in 2022 to 38% in 2024. This has been achieved through community health workers, schools, nurses, and grassroots advocacy, supported by partners like the American Cancer Society and UNICEF. Our efforts are bearing fruit, with LREB counties posting the highest see and treat rates, a testament to what committed advocacy and partnership can deliver.
Na ekero amaberera agendrete gutira imeyensi ya Kenya anene mono iguri chibesa cyakera omoro kiwo echo ewizara echo eserikali inse wizara yetsemi egotoma gocha chiskuru chishiringi chiribu M22 ase kagire buna chibesa echo nigo kiracheko kyane owika chishiringi chiribu 15 nemo igekogera budget ya Kenya tego cyagwisana gwakanira kero omoro kiwo chishiringi chiribu M22 na anene mono ase wizara yetsemi nabo igo muwaziri bw'ekigancha gya serikali batebire eyenkorengana ase yemagiga y'omubara bw'aborokiwa koba omonge ase chiskuru muraiwensi ya Kenya muske Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo ayenekera abakenya buna omurubiro bw'ekisemi kyabose gose free education no chikogendera ase chiskuru n'ekiremo yo kwenekeria abakenya gose omwana omukenya ngonyora ekisemi ekyo kirachi komokonya ase amatuka mutwe kokwana koro ensemo ya Kariobangi meye county ya Nairobi Ruto nigo atebire na chikogendera kwa gacha Ibirase na boigo kolika aborokia.
Nimeajiri walimu 76,000 wapya. Ndio kila mtoto wa Kenya apate nafasi ya kusoma jameni. Si ndio? Tunasema kila mtoto wa Kenya apate nafasi ya kusoma. Na ndio mimi nataka niwahakikishie ile program na mpango ya compulsory affordable housing tutaipangia vizuri. Na kwa watoto wetu, mimi nataka niwaambie wazazi, ile program ya masomo ya watoto wetu, the program of universal free primary and secondary education, inaendelea katika taifa letu la Kenya. Ndio sababu tumeajiri walimu zaidi. Ndio sababu tumejenga madarasa 23,000. Tumeajiri walimu 76,000. Tutaajiri walimu wengine, tuhakikishe ya kwamba program ya universal free primary and secondary education inasonga mbele.
Waziri w'uburinzi bw'ime omuske Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen agenderere Chinsa County eri gukora ebikaro sikora ebikaro byo gukwanira omorembe gukwana korwa e-county ya Trans Nzoia. Murkomen ainekere abakenya buna serikali ose wizara y'uburinzi bw'ime irache kubwatirana ne wizara y'obuchene buna enchira yamo yo gotinya oburinzi asikinya gitari yamagiga yabaroire babere goitwa asinya gitari enene ya Kenyatta National Hospital na sensemo yende. Murkomen akwanira gose Murkomen akwanira emerebere y'abantu bari basiretiye amagimabo ase ensemo ya Shakaura na goteba nigo oburendi ose nigo tifamira kikikagereta buna abamwe abono basiretiye amagima ensemo nigo barache goikana korengwa egento kimanyika ine buna gokorero DNA test eriyo tifamiri cyabo kinyare komanyo.
The public facilities here, health facilities across the country must be secured, not just by our security forces, but by the entire system, including the hospitals themselves, because they have internal security arrangement. And it's important that when we give them information regarding persons within the hospital, they take it seriously. Because I think that in some instances, had we taken seriously reports that came from the DCI, we could not have been having the situation that we had in KNH. So it's important for all of us to take security information seriously and it's better to take precaution and be wrong than to try to be right and allow something wrong to happen in our hospitals or public facilities. And we will be working with the Ministry of Health to see if there is anything else we can do to enhance protection of our patients, especially in referral hospitals. The second issue is in Shakahola. Shakahola, in a number of cases, we have been unable to get citizens who are volunteering to come and take DNA tests, so that it can facilitate release of some of the bodies that were found there. And we are also working hard to strengthen the government chemistry so that it can have enough reagents to complete some of the tests that are required. And as the government of Kenya is now contemplating, in the absence of people coming to take the test so that we can know their loved ones, it may be necessary, and I say this when I was in Kilifi, and I don't think this is just for repeat, we may need to have a memorial site where some of the bodies that will not be claimed will be buried, and it will be a reminder to all of us to work very hard to ensure that we don't have such religious extremism happening in our country.
Na togo chigokorera abasaibeke gorigia jensi koru Minnesota America nigo bero beire bunenchira ya moyo kumwarigania umuwaziri umukuru w'uburendi w'ime omuske Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i anene mono e weekend yiga ritukura Jumamosi na boigo ritu Jumapili bokwana kurensemeyo abasabo nigo baruro kuboja kotia saba mwabo abamenyete ime ya America wesokia asobonge kumuikangi na boyo komotegerera omuske Matiang'i aseboigo baenekeire abantu buna nigo oburendi burachi gotiminyiwa ensemeyo.
Guys, welcome to Minnesota. Security iko tight. Tuna prepare Fred Okengo Matiang'i security. Here we have around 4 chase cars and everything is gonna be okay. Your president's security is guaranteed. Don't get afraid. Everything is sorted out.
Everything is sorted out.
Yes.
People from Wisconsin, people from Iowa, out of state, we welcome all of you. Come to Minnesota on Saturday and Sunday.
And make sure that you register for that day because we need everybody to be counted in.
Yeah, exactly. So procured the police and now it's now to look for the most luxurious car here in America to carry our president.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, because we can't afford to fumble with this critical moment because we are the ones who told Fred Matiang'i to vie for the presidency. Yeah. Nobody else. So we have to take care of him.
And this is specifically led by this group. And if you want to join as a youth to stand, we welcome you.
Chabtukire chitaika emirongo ibere iguru ye Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiabono mugaso na wikiraga abunongo twikira mwere w'Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo wenga mwero ikomi ninchi koirana ga igankoretera yo muna yanda asenchira yo wenge boigo njenguru wa Catherine Nyaboga veni Nyaboke nero rigongonya kurwa somo no ribo imanyeriryo na boigo kuri studio kabere Kevin Ongeri nero rikone kabuna tibichechi na Mario ingo ikirachira asenchira yo wikirano ase kagetari Getembe DJ Reels ngo swari me studio achigo koretera omurobiro vibes ni vibes genda kutwara kurigerero bya wesemye wego kina boigo gendera kwemanya ime ya Getembe TV. Bye bye tumurani Chinsa icon.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biriya bikomanya segeka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chire mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri kurwase chire chiri guririke iri yagatigati wekari guri lyabantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wekirano tuta rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire biasara nchibwa tokorelekana ukuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe n'ubwate